Angela Broom with the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce, and today is Membership Monday, and we are with Danny Sharp. He is our RN supervisor, and Caitlin Riley, care coordinator for Homebound Home Health. Danny, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do here at Homebound and what services you offer?
My name is Danny. I am the RN supervisor and assistant administrator here at Homebound Medical. We provide personal care services. We provide light housekeeping, meal prep, errands, laundry services. We also provide a home health service with a skilled RN. And we also have private duty nursing for anybody that is pediatric or elderly that's on a ventilator and has a trach and needs any type of feeding.
Awesome. Caitlin, what about you? What is your role here at Homebound?
What I do is we work with Children's Hospital and UAMS in Little Rock, and we bring home pediatrics and adults that are on ventilators and have trachs. We staff nurses in their home that allow them to be at home instead of in the hospital.
What a great service to have here in Mountain Home. Is there anything else you'd like to share about Homebound?
It's a great place to work.
Yep. It is privately owned here locally, and it is a very caring and family atmosphere from the work environment to the patient's homes.
Now, is this covered through insurance or Medicare, Medicaid? How does that work?
It's a little bit of everything. We do private pay, we do independent insurances, and we do obviously Medicare and Medicaid.
Wonderful. All right. Well, thanks guys for being on Membership Monday, and until next time, take it easy.
Thank you.